Okay, Google, turn all devices off.
Alright, turning 10 things off.
Patay lahat siya. Okay, Google, turn on devices.
Alright, turning on 10 things.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech Niche. Let's talk about tech and how it can help you in your niche. I will actually be unboxing this recent Shopee purchase. So yeah, join me and let's discover how to make this work. So side note, I actually used a bit of my Shopee coins to get this. So it's roughly around 700 plus. I'll put the link in the description box. So it says Wi-Fi Smart Power Strip, max load 15A, USB output 5 volts, so 3.1, cable length 1.5 meters, yeah, 100 to 240 volts, and Wi-Fi standard 2.4 gigahertz. So generic naman, usually when we buy smart appliances, like my smart lights then, they're kind of usually compatible with 2.4 gigahertz. So yeah, so works for me. So this is a picture of the item. Let's open it up. Manual. And the strip. So there are 4 generic outputs for power. It's good that it comes with like the 3rd prong for some devices, so you don't need another adapter for that. It also has 4 USB slots for power, and as per specifications, there's only one switch for all these 4. So if you want to activate it, you'll just assign one to this. So I guess these are indicators, and you have the power button there. Brand is Senda. And let's plug it in and set it up. Okay, so I plugged it in. Now it's blinking blue. So let's read up on the manual. So I have here my Samsung S9 Plus. So this is what we'll use to link it up. I'll also screen record and show you what I'm seeing on my screen so you can catch up. And so they have a Smart Life app. It's usually the case for most of devices, like even for my smart bulbs. So let's register, sign up, agree. Can we use our Google account for this? Okay, let's try that. So plus, we'll add the device, power strip, Wi-Fi, put in the password. Restart the device. Power on the device after it has been powered off for 10 seconds. Okay, so we've set it up, and kita na sa Google Home natin yung power strip and yung mga corresponding names. So ngayon, ang ginawa ko lang is pinlog ko yung soundbar dito sa pangalawa, yung TV sa first. Tapos naglagay tayo nung backlight natin na LED strip, nilagay ko siya sa USB para yun yung ma-capture. So ito try out natin. So ayan, kasapin natin. So I have my Nest here pala. Sorry dun sa cables. Again, wala pang cable management kasi set up lang natin muna to try natin siya, okay? So let's try. Excited ako. Okay, Google, turn on power strip.
Got it. Turning on the smart power strip.
Wow! So you can see, umilaw na yung nasa likod natin. Naka-power on na rin yung soundbar, actually. And mag-on yung TV. So ayan, naka-on na yung TV natin. Try natin yung solo-solo. So turn off muna natin yung TV. Okay, Google, turn off USB.
Got it. Turning the USB off.
So, wala na yung blinking light. Okay, Google, turn off TV.
Alright, turning off the TV.
All in all, it works. It works well. So, yeah, so I'm really happy kasi right now we have our smart lights. We have na rin yung control dito sa backlight. We have control sa TV, sa soundbar natin. Meron pang isang reserved na slot for, I don't know, siguro kung anong idadagdag natin doon. Pero at least, we have that going on. Kung, main reason why I bought it was actually, I end up looking for the remote for the TV lagi. Kasi I don't change anything naman dito. It's usually just connected to my HDMI. Pero, pag gusto ko siyang buksan or patayin, kailangan ko pa hanapin yung remote. So, it's just fun na hindi ko na yan paproblemahin. Anyway, so I'll share why I bought this plug for myself. Okay, instead of buying yung solo-solo na plug, I just bought one like this. Kasi nga, you get 4 plugs plus the USB pa. When in fact, kung bibili ka pa ng 1 plug each is mas mahal yun. Tapos isa pa is, yun nga, para fully migrated na ako to a smart environment dito sa aking bedroom/studio. It's a great thing for me. Okay, Google, turn all devices off.
All right, turning 10 things off.
Napatay lahat siya. Okay, Google, turn on devices.
All right, turning on 10 things.
So, yeah. I'm just so happy. Ang solid niya. Ang solid niya actually for the price. It's less than 1,000 pesos. And you can get it on sale on Shopee. I'll just put the links down below. Yeah. Maybe you want to buy one for yourself and have a great time na hindi mo iniintindi kung nasaan yung remote mo to power on or power off your devices. Just so happy about it. Anyway, thank you for joining us in this tech niche episode. All in all, I would say 4.5 out of 5 for this. Siguro ang hindi ko lang gusto sa kanya would be the fact na medyo malapad siya for my liking. Kasi nga, kung ilalagay ko siya sa likod ng TV, I'll probably wire everything. Pero, mas gusto ko sana kung mas thinner siya para sa dali. Pero, one thing na siguro pwedeng improve is wala siyang like screws sa likod, which is usually nakikita sa mga power strip. Kailangan ko kasi yon para in case na I want to screw it sa wood screw tapos isasabit ko siya like sa gilid ng desk, ganon. Yun yung wala sa kanya. So, we would have to rely on an adhesive para dito. So, probably mounting tape or yung mounting velcro natin kung gagamitin natin siya at mount, which hopefully ay mag-succeed. Pero yung linking niya, yung pag-setup niya, super dali. Walang masyadong problema. Okay? Yeah. And response is good. Recognition ng brand, ng labels niya is good as well. So, wala namang reklamo dun sa port na yun. It's just the lack of the holes sa likod. Yun yung problem. Anyway, yeah, check it out on the link below. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of Techniche. See you all on our next episode. God bless. Stay safe. Be better today than you were yesterday. And yeah, see you. Bye-bye. Bye. Saya ko.